Hey guys, Leif here from iTech. Today I'm going to explain how the output trays work on the Konica Minolta 8 series. It's the same on the 4 series as well. But with the output trays, we're talking about these two trays here when you've got a finisher attached. And this is tray 1 and this is tray 2. A lot of the times I see offices where they've actually pulled this tray off. This just lifts out. And I think there are some users getting frustrated that it's very hard to see where the prints are come out. So at the moment I've got print and copies. By default they will come out on tray 2, and as you can see they sit in there and it's a bit hard to see it. And this is tray 1. But one thing to note is that tray 2 has a much higher print or number of pages capacity, because this will move down and you can literally print this much or copy this much worth of paper. Whereas in here you probably got maximum 500 pages in this top tray. And there's also a third tray that you can use on these machines as well. So I'm going to show you on the menu where we can configure this and where we can change the default settings. So we're going to go into Utility. We're going to go into Administrator Settings. Type in the administrator password 5678. Okay, hit OK. And we're going to go into number 1, System Settings. We're going to go into number 2, Output Settings. And again, go into number 2, Output Tray Settings. So when I go in there, you can see it sort of makes sense with this presentation here. We've got tray 1, 2 and 3, as you can see there. So 1 is the top one, 2 is the second one, and 3 is in the middle here. And I'll just show you if you zoom out a bit. So tray number 3, that's actually in here. So that means, for example, if you receive faxes on the machine, it could be quite handy to set up faxes to go to output tray number 3, which means they will be left on here, so they're not getting mixed up with prints and copies. So going back to the screen here, these are the default settings for each function, and we can specify that accordingly. So for example, if I like copies to go to tray 2, I can leave that there. Prints, maybe I'd like that to be in tray 1, which means it's going to come out on the top and you can easily see the prints as they come out in the top tray. Reports, I might leave that as tray 1 as well. And faxes, I'd like to go to tray 3, which is the middle one there. So once we've configured that, just hit OK, close all the way back out, and that's it. We've now configured the output trays.